The year is coming to an end. I'm filming this mid-December, and November might just be my highest income month for the entire year. I'm going to be breaking down the 9 income streams as usual. Without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. Let's go. Let's start with personal income. First category, bond interest. I received a total of $166.98. I have the Singapore Savings Bond November issue that gives out 3.4% per annum, and I received $63 here. It's $4,000 invested. Astra 7 bond that pays out a 4.125% per annum interest. I received $103.98. This doesn't get credited into my account every single month. Typically, a bond pays out twice a year, every 6 months. Other interest is whatever savings I have stashed away in a bank savings account or in an account like Chocolate Finance. I received a total of $325.40. Chocolate Finance gives 3.6% per annum on $20,000, and I received $41.68. Bank interest came up to a total of $283.72. I'm using UOB One as my main savings account, fulfilling things like salary crediting and also spending $500 on their credit card. I get 4% interest for up to $150,000 stashed in there. And for cashback, I know this category is something that you guys don't count as income, but I've been tracking in 2024. Moving forward in 2025, I'll remove, but I'm going to be consistent and still track this as an income category. HSBC Everyday Global Savings Account is what I use to pay off my credit card bills that earns me 1% cashback, and I've gotten $72.72 here. Trust Bank's 1% cashback is when I use the cashback credit card overseas. I've gotten a total of $14.21. I've released various videos on the channel talking about how this credit card is great if you want to go overseas and still earn cashback, but yet still get great exchange rates compared to Utrip, Revolut, Wise, etc. They also have a referral program which is open to you guys as well, and I received a total of $935. Dividends was a total of $167.40. I own 310 units of DBS that paid out this amount in November. I don't receive dividend payout every single month. It comes in quarterly, so please take note of that. Investment profits was $128.40. I basically sold away a stock that I was holding on a platform that I don't really use anymore. This is an anomaly as I don't actively trade stocks. I still consider myself as a beginner when it comes to investing, and I believe it's a lifelong learning journey. Speaking of learning, if you're looking to kickstart your investment journey, or you're simply like me, you want to hear more from industry experts of what's coming ahead next year, head on down to FSM Invest Expo 2025, the ultimate one-day event for new and seasoned investors. And no, you do not have to pay any admission fees. It is free to attend. Discover an array of investment products from globally recognized fund managers at their exhibition booth. Get hands-on with interactive tools to understand investment opportunities in tech and AI. You can also win attractive prizes worth more than $10,000 and enjoy exclusive promotions while you're there. You get to learn and have fun all in this one-day event organized by FSM. Happening on the 18th of January 2025 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Suntec Convention Center. Don't miss this opportunity. You can sign up with the link down in the description box below. That is for personal income, and it came up to a total of $1,811.45. Let's go into YouTube income. Let's go. YouTube income for the month of November came up to a total of $21,481.28. Breaking this down, there is Google AdSense revenue, which I've gotten $1,991.63. This is the highest that I've gotten from Google AdSense. In the past, it used to be $1,000-ish, and it has maintained at $1,000. I guess at the end of the year, more advertisements go onto the videos that you guys watch, and that's why probably we are getting a higher cut out of it. It's beyond my control. If I want to increase this revenue stream, means I need to upload more videos, and whenever you guys watch, I get a cut out of it. So digital downloads is $337.98. It's my Notion finance tracker and also the annual budgeting spreadsheet that is listed on Coffee. If you guys want to follow along, track your finances, manage it well, income, expenses, credit card bills, fixed expenses, etc., you can use this tool that I've created, and it's available on Coffee. Partnership affiliates is a total of $9,968.02. I will not be able to break down to you who pays me what. The total amount is the most transparent that I can be. So please be understanding of that. Sponsorship income is what has increased in the recent 2 months or so, and I'm grateful for that. But the reason why it wasn't this high before, number one, is also because I was small before. Now that I'm somewhat gaining a little bit more traction on the entire space, I'm getting a little bit more inquiries, and it's also from brands that I personally love. Brands like Momo Singapore, FSMOne, Wise, Trust Bank. If you follow along, you would know that I don't just do any and every single thing. I select, and it's also because it's very difficult to talk about things that I do not use. I want it to be relevant. I want it to be things that I personally do believe in. That's my own value system whenever I do sponsorship. So a total of $8,328.65 for the month of November. Miscellaneous referrals, this is not any brand agreements that I have. It's from Utrip. I've gotten $55. If you're a Utrip user, open up your app, you will see that if you refer your friends or family, you'll get $5 as well. Standard Chartered Bank credit card referral, I've gotten $800, but this is delayed payment. It's also open to you guys if you hold a Standard Chartered card or account. You can go in-app and take a look. If you refer a friend, etc., you'll get $80 if I'm not wrong. This was from Standard Chartered Smart, but I wouldn't be recommending that card right now because recently there were some changes. I covered it in this video. If you want other cards that can actually replace this, I've also done my 2025 credit card strategy video. I'll link up above and down in the description box below. So all in all, my income for the month of November is a total of $23,292.73, and I saved a total of 73%. This is my highest income month. I'm filming this at the end of December. After this video, I'm gonna be taking a break a little bit. I won't be here anymore in this place filming these videos that will go up on the channel. This will be the last one that you see here for now, because of the home improvement project that is finally starting. The exact date wasn't given to us in advance. It was just an estimated, but it's finally starting. So I'll be packing up and I'll be leaving this place, and you'll get more updates next year, but I hope you enjoy your year-end holidays. Happy New Year to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video next year. Have a great one. Any inquiries, you can still direct message me on Instagram. I'll reply you as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.